Welcome to Wales Healthcare video series. In this video, you will learn about fault diagnosis when a pump does not start or does not stop running when using the switch connect transformer and flow switch. This refers to part numbers 755.210, 755.199, 755.120. You can check which transformer you have by looking at the label on the rear of the transformer. For example, the part number for the transformer shown is 755.210. The switch connect transformer can also be identified by the 2-core bell wire. Before looking at potential issues, please carry out some basic checks. Things to check include ensuring all wiring is undamaged and all connections are secure, also that no fuses have blown, and that power is getting to the transformer or that power has not been turned off. A quick and easy way to check if power is getting to the transformer is to press and release the white test button on the transformer. The LED should illuminate green, and the pump should start for around 30 seconds. If this operates correctly, then the issue lies with the signal being received by the transformer from the flow switch. To see where the issue lies, please disconnect the transformer bell wire from the connector block as shown. Once the bell wires are disconnected, wire the two bell wires together using a one-way terminal block like so. The pump should start after a short delay. If this is the case, then the flow switch may need to be cleaned out or replaced. To clean the switch, firstly isolate the water supply. Once this has been completed, remove the filter like so and simply clean it under running water. If the switch is still not working, then remove the switch completely and run it under the water, tapping it gently to remove any foreign objects that may have lodged in the switch. Having done this, refit and test the switch. If the transformer is still not working, fit a new flow switch. If the pump turns on and does not switch off, the test we need to carry out is to disconnect the bell wire from the connector block while the pump is running like so. After a few seconds, the pump should stop. If the pump does stop, please check the flow switch as shown earlier in this video. If it does not switch off, it may mean the transformer has failed and needs to be replaced. Before replacing the transformer, please cut the bell wire about 2 inches from the transformer to ensure the cable has not been damaged behind the wall. If the transformer continues to run, you have confirmed the transformer is at fault and will need to be replaced. That concludes the guide for fault diagnosis of the Wales Switch Connect transformer and flow switch. Thank you for watching.